Good evening. I would like a table for one, please.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you prefer a table near the window or inside?
I think I would like a quiet table inside.
Sure, sir. Please follow me.
This place looks very clean and calm.
Thank you. We try our best to keep it comfortable. Is this table okay for you?
Yes, this table is perfect.
Would you like to sit closer to the wall or the aisle?
Closer to the wall would be nice.
All right, sir. Please have a seat.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, sir. I will bring the menu for you.
Okay, I'll take a look.
Please take your time.
I'm feeling relaxed already.
Let me know if you need anything.
Sure, I will.
Enjoy your evening, sir. Here is the menu, sir.
Thank you very much.
Today's special is grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds interesting.
We also have pasta and sandwiches.
There are many good options here.
Would you like something vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I prefer non-vegetarian today.
All right, sir.
Can you tell me which dish is not spicy?
The grilled chicken and mushroom soup are mild.
That's good to know.
Would you like a drink with your meal?
I'm still deciding.
Take your time, sir.
The pictures on the menu look tasty.
Yes, they are very popular dishes.
I think I am almost ready to order.
I'll come back in a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Please wait a minute.
I will.
Sir, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready now.
Please tell me your order.
I would like grilled chicken with rice.
Would you like it spicy or mild?
Mild, please.
Would you like soup or salad on the side?
I would like mushroom soup.
That's a good choice, sir.
Thank you.
Would you like any drink?
Yes, I'll have a cold lemonade.
One lemonade noted.
Please make sure the food is not too salty.
Of course, sir. I'll inform the chef.
Thank you for understanding.
Is that all for now?
Yes, that's all.
Your order will arrive shortly.
I'll wait.
Please relax and enjoy.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir.
The restaurant feels peaceful.
I'm glad you like the atmosphere, sir.
I don't usually eat alone, but it feels nice today.
Sometimes eating alone can be relaxing.
Yes, that's true.
Your soup will be ready soon.
Great, I'm feeling hungry.
Would you like some bread while waiting?
Yes, that would be nice.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you very much.
Is everything okay so far?
Yes, everything is perfect.
I'll check on your order again.
Sure.
Please excuse the short wait.
No problem at all.
Your food will be served in a few minutes.
I can wait.
Thank you for your patience.
You're very kind.
It's our pleasure, sir. Sir, here is your mushroom soup.
It smells really good.
And here is your grilled chicken with rice.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Please be careful, the plate is hot.
Thank you for telling me.
Would you like any sauce on the side?
Yes, a little garlic sauce, please.
I'll bring it right away.
Thanks.
Here is the sauce, sir.
Perfect.
Is everything to your liking?
Yes, the food looks great.
Please enjoy your meal.
I will.
Let me know if you need anything.
Sure.
Enjoy, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to start eating now. The chicken is very soft and tasty.
I'm happy to hear that, sir.
The food is not spicy at all.
Yes, we made it mild as you requested.
The soup is also very comforting.
That's one of our best soups.
I'm really enjoying this meal.
Would you like more water?
Yes, please.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Is the portion size okay?
Yes, it's just right.
I'm glad you're satisfied.
Eating out was a good idea today.
Sometimes it feels refreshing.
Yes, especially after a long day.
Please take your time. Please take your time.
I will.
I'll be nearby if you need me.
All right.
Enjoy, sir.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I really enjoyed the meal.
Thank you very much.
Do you have any desserts?
Yes, we have cake and ice cream.
I would like chocolate cake.
One chocolate cake coming up.
And please bring the bill as well.
Certainly, sir. Here is your dessert.
It looks delicious.
And here is your bill.
Thank you.
Take your time to check it.
Everything looks correct.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
All right, sir.
This was a pleasant experience.
We're happy to hear that.
Thank you for the good service.
You're most welcome. Please enter your PIN, sir.
Done.
Your payment is successful.
Great.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your time here?
Yes, I really did.
We hope to see you again.
I'll definitely come back.
Have a nice evening, sir.
You too.
Please visit us again.
I will.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.